Good morning, student. In our grammar, let me do our further revision process here. Our trial question is given here, like pick out adjective and state their kind here. So first of all, we have to remember it one thing. What is adjective? Then after we can understand the kinds of that particular adjective here. So adjective added, or we can say that adjective modify into noun or pronoun. An adjective must be comes before noun or pronoun. Like first example, Rohit is an honest man here. So man is noun here and honest, so the adjective here. So our answer is honest. And what we can say that honest, so the quality of that man. So here honest, so the adjective of quality. So our answer is adjective of quality here. Then I will have little rice today here. So we can say that rice is noun and before rice that little word is given. So little is adjective, and what the little, so here little, so the adjective of quantity here. So we can say that little, enough, sufficient, much, these are word that so the adjective of quantity here. Then third example, Atul ate two apples here. So apple is noun and how many apple, that so the quality here it means we can say that apple is noun and two become adjective here, and two we can count here. So two become adjective of number here because we can count it here. Then fourth example, that bicycle is mine here. So bicycle is noun and before bicycle that become adjective. And for the that, so here these, that, those, these such word are so the demonstrative adjective here. So that become demonstrative adjective. Then it is a sunny day here. So day is a noun and sunny, so the adjective. So what we can say there, sunny, so here the adjective of quality, that particular quality of particular day is given here. So we can say that day, sunny day become adjective of quality. Then sixth example is given here, I have enough bread. So here bread is noun and enough. Enough, so the how much here. So we can say that enough, so the adjective of quantity here. Then Joy bought six banana here. We can say that banana is noun and before noun there is six number is given here. So six become adjective, and what the six show us here? Adjective of number because we can count it here. Then eight example is given here, like this house is old here. So house is noun and before house this is given here. So we can say that this, so here demonstrative adjective. So we can say that these, that, these, those such words are so demonstrative adjective. So we can say that adjective added something in the meanings of noun or pronoun here. Then our 13th question is given here, that do as directed here. And the first question is here, like a adverb of manner, answer the question how. Our answer is how, because adverb of manner, so the question with how, and if we wants to ask the question of time, so our answer is when. And if we want to show the place here in our answer, so we have to ask with question where here. Then second question is given here, what is the present forms of verb bought here. We know that verbs have three forms of verb, like present, past, and past participle form. So bought is a past form or past participle form is here. So what change into by in a present forms of the verb. Then third question, which noun that cannot be counted here? Which noun we cannot count? It means uncountable noun. We cannot count here uncountable noun because there are it takes lots of time to count it here. So it is uncountable noun. Then for the example, I went to the market here. So identify the kinds of underlined noun. So which is the kind of noun of market here? What we can say that market is which kind of the noun? So market, so the common noun. It means it is so the general names of particular place here. So our answer is common noun. Then fifth example, east, sun, in, the, rises, the. We have to rearrange the words to make a meaningful sentence here. So these jumble words is given here. We have to arrange such a way, like the structure of the sentence, like each and every sentence beginning with subject, then verb, then object, then other word, then full stop. We have to write such a proper formula of the sentence we have to utilize here. So here the sun becomes subject, rises become verb, in the east became other words here. So our answer is the sun rises in the east here. We can understand the proper meanings of these jumble words, and we have to arrange such a way that the meaning must be there in our arrangement of our answer here. So our answer is the sun rises in the east here. Then the cows eat the grass here. We have to pick out the verb here. And we know that the second position of verb here, the sentence beginning with subject, subject means noun or pronoun, or second position is verb. So our answer is it become here verb here. And what is adverb is given here? What is adverb? We can say that the word that describe the verb or an adjective, or here the word that describe the verb, an adjective, or another or other adverb are called adverb here. So adverb, we can say that adverb modify here verb here. Adverb modify to the verb here. So the word that describe the verb, an adjective, or another adverb is called adverb here. Then 8th question is given. What is the past participle forms of verb gave here? Gave is a past forms of give verb here. Give is present form, gave is past form, and gave change into given in a past forms here. Like floor. Floor is which noun here? We cannot count here floor. It takes the too much time. So we can say that randomly. It is uncountable noun here. So floor become uncountable noun here. Then 10th example is given. Tushar is clever boy here. Tushar is clever boy. So what we can say that Tushar identify the kinds of underlined noun here. So Tushar is a proper noun, because we know that each and every person, each and every place, each and every girl, each and every person, place, things, or animals has some special name. If we give the special name to them, so it become the proper noun, and we give the general name. General name become common noun, and a special name we can say that it is proper noun. Then desert leave the camel in the here. So we have to once again rearrange the group of word and make a meaningful sentence here. So we have to arrange this word. Once again, remember this formula: subject, then verb, then object, then other words we have to write here. So the camels live in the desert here. Our answer is the camels live in the desert here. So we have to write such a way here. The meaning must be we can achieve, we can make from that jumble word here. Then 12th question is given. The soldier fought bravely here. Once again, we have to pick out verb from this sentence here. So we know that the soldiers become subject. Then second position is verb here. So we can easily identify verb. Fought become our answer here. So fought is a verb. Okay. Thank you.